The specific operations of spraying calibration are as follows. Start the Agri Assistant app, tap Operation, then tap Settings in the top right corner. Tap Calibration, nearby, Pump Calibration. Place the drone horizontally, do not shake the drone in the process. Check if the deviation angle in the left is under 2, tap Enter Calibration, and tap Next. Make sure there is no liquid in the medicine tank, then tap Tear. If you already calibrated, tap the upper right corner Skip. Fill up the tank and tow next. Tap Calibration, waiting for calibration complete. If fails, try more times. Check if the curve is smooth. If not, calibrate again. Do not touch or shake the drone during calibration to prevent deviation, which leads to calibration failure. Do not apply additional force to the cabinet during calibration, which leads to calibration failure. Make sure the weight sensor K value is correct before calibration. Above is today's lesson. Follow the Topxgun channel and unlock more plant protection skills.